What's up, EAE fam? It's your boy AB coming back again with another video for DIY Wednesday. The content for today is going to simply be on how to reset your service light in your E92 M3. Now, yes, I have done or displayed or shown this technique or how this is done in a couple of my other DIY videos. However, it is at the end of the video, and I have been asked in a couple of DMs and some texts and emails from you guys that maybe I should put up a video that is specific to the service reset light. So let's get right into it. So where we're going to start is I'm going to press the start-stop button twice, and I'm not going to have my foot on the brake to start the car. So that's the first thing. So we're going to press twice. Okay, and I'm going to let it get to the clock. And my door is closed. The door has to be closed. The door, the trunk, hood. Not sure about the trunk, but definitely the hood and doors have to be closed. So I'm pressing on the left stalk. I'm gonna hold that till that pops up. All right, so here, if you can see right there, there's that little toggle switch. I can just go up and down. So there is, I'm going up now. This is where you can toggle through the different services that need to be done. Now, I'm gonna go back. So that one there is the overall brake service. And that one is the rear brakes, which I did in a previous video. That one is your oil service, which I did, not in a video, but I did recently. That is your front brakes. So your front brake pads, rotors, whatever, for that. And then that is your just overall service. Let's go through here. Let's move my phone. Let's go through the menu so that you can see the vehicle info. So you can see the status of service required. Okay. So brake fluid has been done. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and redo that. Vehicle check. Vehicle check is in 3,300 miles. Again, I've already done that. I'll just do that today. So once again, I'm going to press start-stop button without stepping on the brake. Let everything pull back around to the clock. All right, there we go. Again, press and hold the left stalk. All right, that is up now. I am going to, so that would be, let me go back. So that would be the brake fluid. So on the end of this stalk, you see the BC button there. There we go, BC button. So I'm going to press and hold that, reset. All right. Brake fluid has been reset. So we're now at 2021. Okay, for that. Now I'm going to toggle through since I need to do the overall system. I'm just going to go ahead and pull vehicle check up, and so I'm holding for reset. It's resetting now. Okay, and that just reset. So yeah, guys, that is it for resetting your service light for your E92 M3. Again, that should work for, or will work for, the E90, the E92, and E93 M3s, and I believe the E93 series, period. So hey guys, hopefully that will work out for you, help you out. Maybe you've done your system checks already or whatever needs to be done. You just want to have it reset. Something you don't have to go into the dealership to have them to do. It costs you 50 bucks, 100 bucks, or whatever they're going to charge you to do it. So with that said, I hope this has helped you guys out. If it has, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, or if you're watching for the first time and you have not subscribed and want to subscribe, definitely do so. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any further content for upcoming DIY Wednesday episodes, as well as my vlogs on the E92 M3, the F10 535 M Sport, and my E53 X5. So without further ado, I want to say thank you to my servicemen and women for serving, my active duty military, my fellow veterans. Big salute to you guys as always. And you guys know what to do. Keep driving.